will try sisig first.
10 out of 10.
Sinigang ng baboy.
10 out of 10.
Fermented shrimp paste.
Thumbs up. Approved by me.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. As some of you already know, we live in the Philippines, but today we are in Bangkok, Thailand, and we will be trying out some Filipino food.
We found a Filipino restaurant called Lola's Kitchen here in the center of Bangkok.
It's not far from us. We're gonna have lunch there today. We will find out what's on the menu, what are the prices, and most importantly, we will see if it tastes authentic. Tara na! We will be taking habal-habal. Nope, this is not it. Not yet. Tonglo. How many days can you go without eating Filipino food?
4 to 5 days.
Guys, believe me, if she will not eat Filipino food for more than 1 week, she will be so grumpy. Let's go, the train is here. Now, maybe some of you don't realize, but there are thousands of Filipinos living in Thailand, and this restaurant is most likely catering to their needs because Filipinos tend to miss their food once they leave the Philippines. And I mean they miss their food more than anyone else. Unahan na gamay pero hapit na. Guys, so here we are, Lola's Kitchen, home of Filipino delicacies. So guys, here we are. This is the place.
Yun ang nakakalungkot kasi hindi kami pwedeng magtabi nasa kabilang table.
So because of you know what, we are not allowed to sit at one table. This is the setup for today. Special menu, lechon paksiw, Pinoy spaghetti, and syempre unlimited rice. Let's choose the food. And here's the menu, guys. Paboritong ulam. pinakbet, pansit, caldereta, kare-kare. Yes, this looks legit, guys. Oh, lechon kawali, looks good. On the other side, oh, they have Filipino breakfast also. Tapsilog, tosilog, longsilog. Syempre, rice. And halo-halo. I will have halo-halo for sure. The prices are in Thai baht. And for Filipinos watching, 100 Thai baht is more or less 150 Philippine pesos. Guys, let me know in the comments what is your favorite Filipino dish. Ikaw, Day, ano sa mong paborito?
Bulad, dried fish.
Wala. Siyempre. So the stuff here is from Thailand, but chef is from the Philippines. Magandang hapon! So guys, calamansi juice, one of my favorite.
Sana naman dyan, magpadala ka ng lechon.
Dalagang Pilipina. Guys, so I'm sitting here and I noticed they have Red Horse. Check this out. At Chimpre, San Miguel. So guys, lechon kawali is here, but we will wait for everything to arrive before we will start eating. Try sisig first. The sisig is how I like it, not too many fats. Very good. Sinigang ng baboy. Wow.
Siyempre, hindi mo kompleto kung hindi ka magkakamay.
Lechon kawali. To be honest, I didn't expect it to be so good. Like a salad? Oh yeah, guys, this is bagoong. It's a fermented shrimp paste, and it's served together with kare-kare. So, honest review, was it authentic?
Yes. Everything was good. Thumbs up, approved by me.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good was it?
10 out of 10. Yung sisig lang. No, why I speaking Tagalog?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
Okay. The kare-kare is 10 out of 10. It's very good. The sinigang, 10 out of 10. The lechon kawali, 11 out of 10. Only the sisig, because it's chicken and I really like the ear of the pig for sisig, I gave 9 out of 10. But still very good.
Do you still have space for dessert?
A little bit. That's why I stopped eating.
Excuse me. We would like to order one halo halo. And can we have this one and this one for takeout, please? And here we have halo halo. Give me this one.
It's only ice cream toppings now. Dig in.
Most of the foreigners say Halo. So guys, we were not able to finish everything, but we have takeout here. So no food will be wasted. So ito yung sikreto how to make your jowa happy. And we're back home. Guys, the food was delicious. If you would like to see a Tagalog version of this video, go to Rufa's channel. I will put the link down in the description. If you enjoyed watching, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.